tuloy-tuloy pa rin po ang ating pakikisaya dito sa Riot Park, Baguio City para sa kanilang 16th Panagbenga Festival. At tulad nga na sinabi namin sa inyo, isang vegetarian dish ang aming ibibida bilang kilala nga rin ang Baguio sa kanilang fresh na mga gulay. Diba, Mark and Armar? At para ipakilala sa atin itong dish natin prepare, kasama natin ngayon si Chef Marlon Caranto ng Oh My Gulay, Baguio City. Hello po, Chef. Good morning. So, Chef, ano po yung hinanda nating dish this morning?
Ay, ito, talong parmigiana. Pinaka-popular sa Oh My Gulay. Eggplant, French bread, and then pomodoro sauce made on vegetable also.
Okay, so ano po yung mga gulay na kailangan natin para i-prepare itong dish na ito?
So kailangan natin ng fresh lettuce from Baguio, and then assorted Baguio vegetable, beans, carrots, broccoli, toli, and then young corn.
Ayun, so ito po yung ating pinaka-finished product, tama po ba?
Ito yung sauce niya, lalagyan natin sa top. Tapos lalagyan ng basil pesto and then parmesan cheese on garnish with basil leaves.
Tapos okay na siya, pwede na po siyang kainin. Ayun naman, so Mark and ready na ba kayo sa pagkain natin? Ayan, so ako rin actually, kakain ako niya. Thank you so much, Chef. And syempre gusto rin natin pasalamatan ang Sky Rise Hotel at ang Jerry's Grill, Baguio City. And bago tayo magkainan, guys, ito talaga yung kanina pa natin inaabangan. Actually, ako pala. Kanina ko pa inaabangan. Yung interview mo at ni Arn sa
mga Philippine Ascals, dun po sa lobby ng Ascals Bus, abangan nyo. Nako, maganda yan.
Ayan. So, ayan, panoorin na natin kasi actually, ito na, papanood na natin sa wakas ang interview ni Arn at ni Mark sa Philippine Ascals.
Watch this.
Yes, Monica, andito tayo ngayon with ating mga idol, ang Ascals at syempre, si Mark, taga GMA News. Are, kumusta na?
Okay naman ako, Arn. Ikaw, kumusta?
I'm fine. Masaya-masaya ako. Pwede naman natin interview itong mga idol mo?
Aba, syempre, alam mo, nandito tayo ngayon sa loob ng Ascals Bus. Kakatapos lang ng training ng ating favorite national football team. Pabalik na tayo sa Baguio Country Club kung saan sila nakatira. At syempre, kasama natin ngayon ang ilang miyembro ng Philippine Ascals dito. Palakpakan naman dyan!
Hey!
Excited na ako, Arn. Ikaw.
I'm so excited talaga, pare.
Okay, umpisa na natin ang questions. Umpisa natin with Team Captain Ali Borromeo. Ali, tell us, kamusta na yung training ninyo dito sa Baguio?
Training's been good so far. Okay naman that we're progressing. We're getting ready for Mongolia. The weather in Baguio's been great, and the people have been great so far.
Okay. Ano ang paghahanda ang ginagawa nyo sa training nyo?
I think it's down to the high altitude, getting used to it because Mongolia is going to be really, really cold. I think it's not the coldest here, but it's colder than Manila, so we're slowly getting used to it. I think then after Baguio, we're off to Japan for a training camp where it's going to be much colder.
So ngayon, tanungin naman natin Tanungin natin yung isang young husband. Ito, kilalang-kilala ng lahat to, Arn. Kilala ko natin kilala.
Sa Jewits
Oo, kung ikaw si Feeling, young husband. Phil, young husband. Okay, Phil, we just want to know how you're handling all the hype. Of course, everyone's talking about you. You have so many intrigues around your name. How are you handling that? How are you really focusing on training?
I think it's obviously important to when you're on the pitch to concentrate on the game, and obviously we have the players and the coaching staff and the management staff who keep us down to earth and grounded, and obviously off the pitch there's a lot going on with the news, and obviously the Ascals are on TV pretty much every day, but it's I think we're quite isolated in Baguio. I mean, in our hotel room, there's not that many people in the hotel. There's not too many people like Bacolod. So I think there's not too many. This place is quite isolated, so there's not too many distractions. But obviously, right now the most important thing is our game against Mongolia, and right now all the management staff and the coaching staff and the players are keeping everyone down to earth.
Back to studio!
Sa unang hirit, ulang-ulang ka. Sa unang hirit, isang totoo.
Kaugnay ng selebrasyon ng anibersaryo ng EDSA People Power 1, isang job fair ang ginaganap din po ngayong umaga dyan po sa tanggapan ng POEA. At may live report si Dano Tingkungko. Dano?
Higan, handang-handa na rin ang tanggapan ng POEA dito sa Panulucan Ortigas Avenue at EDSA para na rin sa pagdiriwang ng ika-25 anibersaryo ng EDSA People Power Revolution. Dalawang bagay ang pinaghahandaan dito. Una, yung job fair ng POEA na nakatakdang magsimula anumang oras mula ngayon. Kanina lamang ay nakita na natin na hinahanda na ng mga tauhan ng POEA at pati na rin ng ilang mga kumpanya ang kanilang mga stall dito, hindi lang dito sa labas, pati na...
Okay, maraming salamat. Dano Tingkong nagulat po live mula sa POEA. At magbabalik po ang unang hirit.
Sa unang hirit, ulang-ulang ka. Sa unang hirit, isyong totoo ang dala.
The Manel's LOL price case offers all items at 50% off in all Manel's branches until February 28.
Sina April